I'm WRAL meteorologist Kat Campbell. We're closely monitoring the upcoming weekend already. So here's the time frame that we are looking at for potential winter weather. Sometime between Saturday and Sunday. We're probably going to be able to whittle this down to more of a 12-hour window, but models are still split on the timing of the upcoming system. And this system is a bit more interesting, and I would say probably the most interesting that we have seen so far this winter season, especially if you are a snow lover. Here's the thing, it is still 3,500 miles away from us and sitting over the Pacific Ocean. Once it moves ashore, you know how this goes. We're going to start to get better model data and get a better feel for how next weekend will play out. But I do want to tell you why it looks more interesting than some of the other setups that we've seen this season, and especially compared to this past weekend. High pressure is situated to the north here, close to the Midwest, and we've got a southern storm track here with the jet stream helping to steer low pressure somewhere closer to us. So this high pressure system is situated in a much more favorable location to continuously pump cold air into our area. This past weekend it was in Texas for comparison, and you really want it to be north of our area for decent winter weather chances. And here's the setup for the jet stream and low pressure as we head into the upcoming weekend. This would help to steer in moisture from the Gulf, and typically that's a deeper moisture or more moisture than what we see coming in off the Atlantic. The other thing about this setup is that the track is still very relevant. How far north or south this tracks is going to help to determine precipitation types, whether it be snow, ice, maybe even rain in parts of our area. So still a lot of question marks, and this is not a guarantee slam dunk for snow lovers. I'm just telling you that the threat for an impactful system this upcoming weekend is there as of right now. So you'll want to stay tuned for updates throughout the week. We've got you covered here on WRAL.